namaste to everyone and welcome to my channel Harsha's Life. So I'm here before you after a long time. I think nearly it's 2 months I came in front of the camera. So today I'm going to speak about the books I'm using this year. There are a lot many other books which I have included this year. So there are a lot many books here, like I use these books for writing a lot of things. So I'm going to share with you all what are the things I write and what I do with those things. Yes. Okay, the first book is the book review. So this is the book review book, or the book summary you can say. So I use this book to write the summary of the book which I read. So I'll be a little bit fast. So here I'll speak about that later. Okay, this is the diary where I write the articles, Kannada and the English articles. So this is for the Ayurveda article. And this is the book where I write the things which I learn daily. So I watch a lot of educational videos and I take a topic and learn on that. So this is completely dedicated for that, those educational videos which I watch daily. So this is a book to write about Ayurveda. So what are the new things which I find or which I get to know? I write everything in this book. So this is a book where I write my favorite quotes in Kannada and in English both. When I read a lot of books, so I get a lot of beautiful quotes which I feel that I need to keep it in my book or I need to preserve it. So I write those in this beautiful book. See, this is beautiful. I really liked it. And this is a book where I write the life goals. So I have written my life goals. So I have written for 1 page. And in this, many of the things I have already done. So this is for the YouTube channel. So what are the videos I have uploaded? I write everything in this book. So this is the diary from this year's diary. So I write, I journal in this book. I write what are the things I need to improve in my life in the various aspects. So the next thing, this is also our diary where I write about my kids. So this is the new thing which I'm starting this year, because this is a book I started this year and really it is really helping me a lot. When you keep a separate book for each and every category, it will be easy for you to give a complete concentration on that. So this is a book where I write about my kids daily. It's a diary and it is having dates. So every day I write where I can write about my kids, what happened to them, what all I spoke to them, or not everything, the specific things, the special things which they did or which I did, and where I have to change my behavior with my kids, or if I tell them something or it hurted them, or where I need to be flexible with them, or am I very strict, or am I very not that strict to my kids. So I write everything, I journal everything about my kids in this book. So the changes I need to bring in my life, in my behavior towards my kids, even that I write. So it is really helping me. It's nearly 4 to 5 days now, and it's really helping me because daily I write only about my kids here. Because earlier I used to journal, but whenever I used to start my journal, I used to write only about myself. I never used to write anything about my kids. So in this, I write about my kids and what are the changes I need to bring in my behavior towards my kids, and it is really helping. So this is a book. I hear a lot of summaries of the books. So the books which I hear, the summaries, I write about that in this book. So whenever I learn about the photography, this is for the photography. So the things I learn about the photography, I write it here. And next one, this is the diary. I write this daily. Here what I do is, I write few sentences about that particular day, or something special which happened that day, or the thought which really liked, or the quote which I really want to preserve. I write it that day. So the special thought which came on that particular day. So about that I write in this book. So the next is the small thing. These are the idea books. So this is about the books I want to read. That is a TBR. this is about the books already which I have read. I need a list of books I have read because I have read lot of books till now in my life. So I need a list of all the things which I read. This is the books. I'm having the list of this from 2018. Yeah, May 2018. Before that, which all I have read, I have not written. And I think before that, I started reading late, but after 2 years of starting my reading, I started writing it here. Next is the ideas for Ayurveda articles. I write it in this book. The next one is the video ideas for YouTube. And this is a list of summary books which I have read. So there is one more big book which is inside. I don't think I need to open that and tell. It was last year. I have made a separate video of that book. So this is a book where I want to keep this for life. This is like what I want to do in my life. And in each category, there are separate many categories in this. And I write specific things. See, for example, here this is about the articles which I want to write and which I have already written. These are the list of articles which I have already written, like Bhagavad Gita articles. So I need to have the list of articles which I have written, so that I have written. See, this is about the Bhagavad Gita article. The next one is about Veda or history, Vachana. And there are many sections here in writing. Okay, next one is the reading. So I want to read psychological books, travel books, history books. So I have written the things which I have read: history books, psychology books, autobiography books. So the list of those books are here. Next section is for the art. So here what I have written is the art which I want to learn and which are the videos I'm watching and learning, and in how many days I'm learning it. It is a record of all those things. So I learned doodles last year. See, I took nearly 20 days. Next is the calligraphy 2 or 3 days, and Varli I have just started doing it. So this month is for Varli most probably. Next is for my speeches. So the talks which I'll be giving this week, I have not written. I have written only one because I didn't get any idea. So as soon as I get idea, I'll start writing it here, and how I can improve my speech, I'll be writing that. So the next one is for my music practice. So this section is for my music practice. So the Alankara, how many times I have practiced Alankara, or which is a song which I'm learning now. Everything I write in this. It's very less. I have to practice more in music. So this is all about the books I keep, where I keep a record of all the things. Some books, when you have a separate book for each category, you will have a specific clear thinking of what you want in life and what you want in that particular thing. Because when you do a lot of things in a day, you need to have a separate notebook for each of them. So these are all the things which I use on the daily basis. Not daily, some are 3-4 books I use daily, and weekly at least I think I use all of these books. So that's all for this video. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.